Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Okay, viewers and subscribers, you don't know this are the Skilla. You see it? So, you know, me take a look in a St. Vincent and Grenadines today, and me decide say, yo, you know what, my viewers them really need to see this video. You see me? It's about two female, and the two female them catch up for some reason. You know, it's like a big dispute between them. You know, I never realized that St. Vincent and Grenadines can be just like how Jamaica be. You see me? What is wrong with the world? That are the big thing going in my head right about now. You see me? But anyways, here me I go show you the video right about now. You see me? I say, just remember now, the following video have some scenes in it that might not be suitable for everyone. Alright? Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Make sure me tell you that. And for one more thing about it, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Boy, go get that boy. Boy, nobody getting that boy. Nobody getting that. Boy, nobody getting that. Nobody getting fucking that. Girl, I buckle it out. Girl, I buckle it out.
Don't fuck around me. Girl, fuck around me.
Buckle it out. Thank you. Livey, where is that boy? Live one time.
Very fast.
Where the post there, boy? Where the post there, dog? Live out there. We live. We live.
No man,
Now, listen. That word, that mother, something that word with them use, right? To them in St. Vincent that mean everything, but to me that don't mean one thing because I'm a Jamaican, right? So, but in a Jamaica, you know, when a man say go sorry, that means something to me. And in America, something else means something to them. In China, something else means something to them. You see it? But in all differences, right? If a Chinese man for the inside of St. Vincent and him say the mother thing to you, or the next one in Jamaica said it don't mean nothing to them. So what that show you say? Eh? The feelings that we are carrying ourselves, they even make sense. Why we have to do this? Why everything have to settle in violence? What is wrong with the world? Eh? Me people, to be honest, enough people always thought that Jamaica, you know, because you always hear people say Jamaica the worst, Jamaica this. Well, my uncle said this kind of clear the ear because this channel we have actually touched everywhere in the Caribbean and the world. You see me? And you're going to realize that the world is very similar. You see? Alright, anyways, you don't know the thing already, people. Let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is Dancehall Skilla ENT. You know, big up on yourself. You see?